Most training doesn't fail because the content is weak. It fades because daily work takes over. People leave workshops and coaching sessions with clarity and intention. But without structure, the old habits usually return. Hbits helps extend learning into daily life through simple habit journeys, one step at a time. For a company pilot, invited employees join through their work email, enter one assigned journey, and begin practicing the selected capability in the flow of real work. They receive one habit at a time, gentle reminders, short reflections, and visible progress. So learning becomes something lived, not just remembered. At the end, the L&D team gets a simple summary of participation, consistency, completion, and feedback themes. If you want your learning programs to continue beyond the session, Hbits offers a simple place to start. Download now.